Making video films is the business of videography. As a component of digital marketing strategy, it is flourishing. Videos can give your company a face or a voice and have an incredibly high SEO value. Videography encompasses a variety of video production techniques, including drone videography, explainer videos for businesses, wedding videos, and more. There are many different sorts of filming situations: plot development and scripting, pre-production and planning, creative post-production, including sound design, and even marketing and distribution. In this video, we will be exploring the different types of videography used commonly. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. Brand documentary. Brand documentaries aid in the development of a company's narrative. Videos aid in the translation of the vision. Such videos meticulously document your brand story while also adding depth to videos. Brand documentaries aid in the development of a company's narrative. Brand documentaries are content marketing videos that use empathetic storytelling to inspire and connect emotionally with their audience. Number 2. Brand awareness videos. Brand awareness videos influence the promotion of your product or service. It increases brand excitement, drives more traffic, and increases conversions. This video helps your target audience get familiar with your brand and products. Number 3. Event videography. It is the art of capturing significant events and other moments of celebration with loved ones in order to relive these moments in the future is known as event videography. Aside from wedding event videography, it captures all special social events such as launch ceremonies, award parties, and press releases. Number 4. Product videography. A product video is one that explains your product, its features, and its benefits. Instead of focusing solely on the product's features, a great product video should inspire customers to believe in it. Number 5. Documentaries. Documentary films are works of art that are based on true events. Specialists in video production have extensive experience and knowledge in creating documentary films that tell stories. Documentary production has increased as businesses have mastered the art of telling their company's story in a short amount of time. Number 6. Drone videography. Drone videography is the use of a drone to capture video footage for marketing or entertainment purposes, such as a company video. Drone videography is frequently used to film large areas, such as construction sites or long stretches of landscape. High-quality drone equipment aids in producing high-quality videography. Number 7. Wedding videography. Wedding videography is a video production that documents a wedding on video. The final product of the videographer's documentation is commonly called a wedding video. It is also referred to as a wedding movie or a wedding film. Number 8. Review and testimonial videos. The formal evaluation or review of any good or service is done through review films. The information in these films allows viewers to make informed decisions about the goods or services they wish to purchase. Providing testimonials for your brand, service, or product using visual mediums can assist boost sales and trust. But it's essential that these testimonial videos are real and unscripted. Number 9. Promotional videos. Promo videos are a powerful marketing tool that efficiently conveys information in a short amount of time. Short, entertaining works of art can be produced using promotional videos to keep viewers' attention. Number 10. Tutorial videos. Interactive tutorial videos make it possible to better reinforce learning. making thorough tutorial videos that walk users step by step through the process of utilizing a product or service. Number 11. Animation videos. A brand can use animation to effectively and aesthetically teach difficult concepts or convey a straightforward message. The use of animation in your marketing plan may be done in a variety of ways, from including it on your website to including a little brand animation in an email campaign. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.